Decarbonisation and circularity are the two major challenges the construction industry is facing today. Concrete is the most used man-made construction material on Earth. And cement, the glue that holds concrete together, is responsible for nearly 10% of the annual global CO2 emissions. On top of that, every year, more than 2 billion tons of construction demolition waste and excavation materials are landfilled in the Western countries. To build a sustainable future, we urgently need to reduce and avoid the use of cement. And we need to find ways to close material loops to minimize the use of primary resources in the construction industry. Oxara's vision is to enable sustainable construction and affordable housing solutions to meet these challenges head-on. We develop and produce cement-free admixture and binder products which allow the repurposing of construction demolition waste and excavation material into circular, low-carbon building materials. Building materials using Oxara technology not only support the circular economy but also significantly decrease CO2 emissions. Compared to conventional brick and concrete products on the market, Oxara's materials emit 75 to 90% less CO2 and don't require energy-intensive production processes. Since founding Oxara in 2019, we developed and validated the technology at industrial scale with multiple local industry partners. And we are proud to see Oxara-based building materials implemented in various projects in Switzerland and abroad. Now we are supporting the official market entry by building a landmark pavilion on the campus of Hochschule Luzern that showcases the use of our products in real conditions. The goal of the pavilion is to give strong confidence to customers and real estate developers to open up their imagination and demonstrate how material-oriented design with Oxara materials could look like. Because it takes a collective movement to change the modus operandi of construction, the pavilion is carried by an ecosystem of key actors, from industry and academia to real estate developers and policymakers. Challenging not only how we work, but also what we work with. No longer relying on one miracle material for everything, but instead utilizing strategic combinations for a sustainable and cohesive result. By removing cement from the equation and reimagining waste materials as valuable resources, we are actively driving the shift towards a more sustainable and regenerative construction industry. Be part of the journey and help us to create tomorrow's building materials today.